Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you a little bit on the lumber that I milled with that Alaskan this last summer. Those 1-bys I had mentioned in my milling video. This here is my chicken coop. I have a greenhouse on the side of it there, off to the back side of the woodshed. Happy chickens. So the 1-bys that you can see used there are, I believe, an ash or an oak. They're a really strong, tough board. I believe this coop is 10 by 5. It's not really big enough for all these chickens, but it's what I could put together before winter came. Because before, they were in that reclaimed outhouse that the bantams that are currently in right now. So all of these boards were milled with the Alaskan. I have a reclaimed window that I used. And right here where you can see the transition, this is the main shed and this is an addition. See if I can walk through this deep snow over to you and show you the 1-bys I made there. These are all pine. There's quite a few boards. And this wall is the same on the other side, on the inside of the chicken coop, which is covered up. I'll bring you around the edge here and show you a little bit on the inside. The main beam that you see in the front here and the main beam that's way in the back, you can barely see it. That main beam there is oak. It is a 2x12. Boy, that was fun on the mill, I tell you that. That took a long time. The center beam is tamarack. Right now I have a center support on it just for snow load purposes. I use some reclaimed 2x4s as my stringers. The main roof joists are also tamarack. They are 2x8s, I believe, 2x6s, probably 2x6s. So I keep a lot of my firewood underneath the roof of this to keep it dry. I do have another pile of wood that's outside. I'm trying to go through that first. The galvanized tin is also reclaimed. And there's telephone poles that are as posts. I didn't quite have enough, so then I used some tamarack poles as well. They are rot resistant, so it's going to take a long time before I ever have to replace or do anything with those. So that's my main woodshed. This is a little shelter for the turkeys and a couple of my roosters. the main gate to get inside. That's the outhouse. I built an addition on the side of it. You can see the snow load took the awning down. We've been getting so much snow. It's snowing right now even. And you can see more of the 1-bys. A little cave-in on the roof, huh? Great. Got some 1-bys for the nest boxes for when I move some chickens out here. This is where the shed ends, and I added a clear backside to it. On this side, I finished putting the little pieces of slats or laths or whatever just to cover up the gaps. Right now I'm just storing the chicken feed inside to keep it dry. During the spring is when it will become a greenhouse. One buys milled with Alaskan again for nest boxes. I used some slabs too. I don't like wood to go in the waste, so try to use everything I can. One of these days I'm going to count how many boards I made out of that pine. See how many boards I've milled with that Alaskan sawmill. Chickens and turkeys are already fed for the day. Getting pretty close to time to going into work. I'll walk through here one more time so you can get a little closer look. This pine was another dead standing tree. Some of it's real pretty. This wall here is the backside where the chicken coop is. Got some more gap fillers to put up that I'll do sometime this summer. I made this entire shed by hand. Took me a little while, but I got her done. I'd be lucky to say if I even got a couple $100 put into this shed. Some roofing nails. And plenty of gas for the chainsaw. The joist hangers we had laying around. Everything else as far as the wood goes was all milled by myself. So as you can see on the ground here, there's lots and lots and lots of sawdust. This is where I was milling all my lumber here. Boy, I think it took me like 2 tanks of gas to make that cut of that 2x12 oak. And every time I made one of those boards, I'd have to sharpen my saw. It was very time consuming, but I got her done. That's a solar yard light. So anyways, I just wanted to give a quick video out to everyone who likes any sort of milling videos. Wanted to show them what all my hard work has paid off for. Alright everybody, we're going to go ahead and end this video. I hope you like what you see there. So until next time, we'll see you guys later. Have a good day.